What's going on, guys? So I found this really cool place on Google Maps and I'm here to check it out. Shit, it's starting to get kind of dark, so I don't have a whole lot of time, but I really wanted to test out my new setup, and I think there's a really cool bando here somewhere too, so I'm gonna try to check that out. I think I finally found the opening. Is this a cool spot or what? It's getting really dark though. Looks like I don't have a whole lot of time left, but so today we're flying this guy. Hey, there you go. Dark, I can't see anything. Okay, there's a it's a lot of static out of nowhere. I'm gonna try to bring him back in. The hell was that? I don't know what's going on, but I think it landed somewhere in there. So let's see. I think I see it. I think it's over there. Okay guys, I think that's a wrap. It's getting dark and it's actually getting quite scary.